I'm saying? Because I still live a regular life. I'm on my way to work right now. But, nigga, I got them one bitches on right now, nigga. Yeah, nigga, I'm tripping on my way to work, nigga. What's going on, man? It's your boy K5 here, back with a banger, man. And today's banger, man, is me tuning the car, which y'all probably already should know. Like, the car's getting tuned. It's already tuned, actually. Not gonna lie to you. The car is already tuned. It's just another video to show y'all the tune itself. You know what I'm saying? But car is tuned, car running, everything runs smooth. I ain't had no mishaps. I ain't had no drops, nothing. Only thing I hate right now is that my car, with my car being lowered, it's scraped. So it's scraped, and it just hit the damn headers and it hit the exhaust. It just be making me mad every time that fucking happens. But anyways, yeah, enough about that. Anyways, got the tune on there. I'm gonna give y'all some clips and shit later on in the day. I'm at work right now. I'm working, you know what I'm saying, trying to get this shit together. You know what I'm saying? You know how that shit get. But yeah, let's just enjoy the look. Like, look at how she looks. It's a Wayne beat. $500,000 all blues, bitch. We went large. $250,000 car in my garage. I ain't even gotta tell him drop you. I just got a nod. I said yes. I hit the green button. Okay, you gotta switch, but that don't mean nothing. Kinda slow, but it's alright. But anyways, chat, this your boy Alter Ego here. Alter Ego here is up to no good. Just like this pussy ass fuck nigga. Just like this pussy ass nigga behind me, he ain't wanna let me get over and shit. But it's all love though, you know, nigga ain't had no choice but to let me over. But I got the car tuned. They got a little knocking noise, but that's because I got a bolt that's not screwed all the way in. You know? Alright, so like I said, man, we're finna do some bad shit, man. It's not Chris no more. This is his alter ego. So, if any cop see this video, it's not Christian. It's K5. They told her to remember. But I gotta come up on the exit because I need gas. And yeah. It's your boy Alter Ego, man. That's how we pull up to the function. Whoop-dee. And it say entrance, but then that say exit, so it's like I'm confused. Like, I'm going down, baby. I could really slide this bitch right here, but I ain't gonna do it though. I don't know how this shit look. I just want to let y'all know, man, this is the worst cameraman I ever had. So if the way that the video comes out and the way that it's structured, if she does not get the right angles, this video will be horrible. Oh, I'm parking right next to the S4. Oh my God. I think I might just let this bitch just tick. I ain't gonna lie. Cause what the fuck? I don't think I can get under there. What the fuck, man? I don't think I want to get under here. No bitch is doing that. What's going on, YouTube? We didn't do the brakes and rotors. We only did one side of the brakes and rotors. I did a side quest after that shit. I'm picking up bro from work and shit.
Picking up bro from work and shit.
And you know, when you shouldn't be doing shit like this happens. So I can't blame nobody but myself. But anyway, so listen, I'm gonna just let y'all. This shit just happened. But I knew this was gonna happen though. My shit on the ground. This shit on the ground. At least it wasn't like the other one, nigga. The other one broke my whole fucking caliper.
Really?
The front tire over there, that one, yeah, that bitch broke my whole caliper.
Hey, is the video camera still going?
It's still going.
Chat, let me tell y'all how this went, bro. This nigga was on the freeway. That bitch said, boom! I said, what was that? Did them niggas get in an accident?
Hey, I swear to God.
That nigga straight fake beef. No, that's my tire. I said,
No, listen.
Hey, I didn't believe him because he didn't bust a smile, he didn't bust a front, the nigga didn't move a muscle. He said, it's my tire.
I thought it was
I said,
my
what
exhaust.
You gonna do?
I thought the fucking exhaust fell from under the car.
Your exhaust ain't like that, is it?
It's not like that, but
if it's like that, I can have somebody hook that up.
no, it's hooked up. But I'm saying in the sense, like, you know, when I was doing all that dumb shit.
Oh yeah, it might have got it loose.
Might have just knocked that bitch loose.
Yeah.
But hey, I might drop this bitch off. I ain't gonna lie. And
hey, let them know the day job is a dealership.
Man,
it ain't
though.
that bad.
This nigga job don't stop. I'm about to have to get my shit serviced with him.
You want me to draw you to the crib, or you driving with the tow nigga? You gonna wait on the tow nigga?
I got you. You don't know how. I'm sick. Hey, I fuck with him because he peeped the car was lower. He pulled out the wooden things. Hey, that's real deal slime, real deal slime. But yeah, man, this is how the night went, man. I fucking stripped the boat and all that extra stuff. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy K5 here, back with another fucking banger. Well, it's Chris. It's not K5 right now. I ain't got the ski on. I ain't be in bed today. I'm doing some light maintenance. I'm having Brody, bro. I said I was doing the maintenance. I'm not doing the maintenance. I'm gonna have my brother do the brakes and rotors and shit. You know what I'm saying? And unfortunately, y'all, I got a fucking Hemi tick, y'all. So let me know in the comments, am I going scat swap or am I going Hellcat supercharged blower? Comment down below. Yeah, bro, I picked up the vlog again and shit. Man, we out here, man. I ain't trying to do shit, so I got bro to do it. But he over here, I don't even know what he doing.
I'm done, nigga. What the fuck?
Oh, shit.
What the fuck is he doing? Oh my god, where's Space Guy?
Yeah, so last time I did my shit, I was on some bullshit. I'm gonna show y'all. This is the side I had did last time. But I had, you know, first I just got the car and shit.
Back with that 13 on it. Matter of fact,
If you don't know what's wrong, you can see it clear as day. That right there is supposed to be right up in there. So what I thought I did was put both sides in. I was probably excited, probably with my little whoop. She probably turned me on. I just said, fuck it, man.
man, bring your ass.
What you need?
Where your mom at, nigga?
Yeah, you better got him. I was about to put that ass crack in the camera. Currently.
Should be good enough.
Think so, bro? Oh, shit. It's getting real.
Where WD-40 at?
We ain't never had none, bro.
I do have some. Look in there. I got some.
This nigga just flamed that bitch up. Boom! Stupid ass nigga. Look at them bitches, by the way, y'all. Look at how them holding up. But I got a fucking Hemi tick, so it don't matter, y'all. Fuck all that. That bitch moving. Yo, them bitches toasted. Like,
Toast.
pull one of them bitches off real quick.
Just...
I know that bitch fugly. Please do not roast me in the comments, bro. I genuinely thought I did that shit right. I thought shaking came from just all this fucking horses under the hood, you know what I'm saying? Like, whenever I try to... Bro, finna get irritated and shit, but whenever I was breaking, I thought, like, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I thought, you know what I'm saying? I having all these horses behind the motor, that it was like the reason that my shit was shaking. But whole time, nah, whole time shit like this. I'm stopping. Hey, just imagine. Yeah, the rotor came out without me even having to, you know what I'm saying? So you just could only imagine, you know what I'm saying? So what I had thought I did was, I thought I put that brake bolt back in there. No. Now that bitch built up with corrosion. That bitch might not ever come off. That bitch might be swollen in that bitch. On the beach. This bitch sound worse since I got it done. And that bitch, and my motherfucking brake school all the way down to the floor. Like, I'm trying to stop and my foot is touching the back wall. Like, I'm about to try to stop. Look at that bitch going to the floor. And this bitch got a tick. Like, that bitch ticking like bad. Like, look at that. I just kicked the fucking ground. I'm about to have to go get the new motor, bro. Cause this shit don't sound good, bro. Listen to this. These niggas didn't bleed my brakes. So my foot going all the way to the ground. But you hear that fucking tick? Hello, darkness, my old friend. I come to speak with you again. Look at that, I'm pushing this bitch all the way to the ground, bro. Like, look at my foot right now. Y'all gonna have to, y'all see that shit. Look at this, look at my foot, Yo, why? Why is my shit going all the way down that far? All right, y'all, so I'm back at home. I got everything taken care of, bro. Before I was cut off, I got the new tires. See them bitches. Crazy. Look at that fitment though. Fat, freaky bitch. But yeah, the whole problem was the caliper. And just ignore the sound that you hear. Ignore it, please. The problem was just the caliper. Y'all seen the caliper from yesterday to today. That bitch looked totally different. But yeah, it might be the end of this build. Might be the end of this car, period. I do not know. But when I get to it, I will let y'all know.